basket. This is my favourite one.
I like that trolley. This split in black.
Yes. Tuck in.
I like the green. I like the green. I like the green plates. I like that green.
No spice rack.
I like the green.
Yeah, just spice rack. You can have green.
Bones.
This goes with my PC and a custom chair.
And your tea.
This desk. Oh. What a shag.
Third time, it's still funny. Come on, I'm having a wash.
Get them tits out.
Right. Night night.
No.
Hang on. What's going on here?
Right, I'll have both, thank you.
Very adult stuff. Oh, good. I like it.
Oh.
Ringa loca.
Sounds like you're speaking Simlish. Rasplats. Expo. Nappers. Gradsvingle. Oh, do you want another shag? That is an actual cow. So many more shags.
Right, we've finally made it to the warehouse.
Just buy a house.
One they don't do in flat pack. Oh, I know you hate flat pack furniture. What happened with your arse wardrobe? We go to IKEA and we come back with 40.
Yeah, and what?
And a phone keychain holder for 50p. Don't do that to him. Hi, Jack Sparrow.
Better than yesterday, bitch.